Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. First chapter Symmetry, Pattern and Nets. Today we will discuss symmetry and reflections. Children, our topic is symmetry and reflections. In symmetrical shapes, if a mirror is kept along the line of symmetry, one half is a reflection of the other. You know that if we are looking at a mirror, we will get our reflection. Is it? Here, a rectangle is symmetric. Then if we place a mirror along a rectangle in the line of symmetry, suppose this is the mirror we placed here. Then suppose it is the line of symmetry. Then you will get the reflection on the other half. Here we will get the reflection of this half. So, when we place a mirror along a rectangle, that mirror will act as a line of symmetry. Understood? Therefore, these symmetric shapes known as mirror symmetrical objects or reflection symmetrical objects. Okay. So, here this symmetry is known as mirror symmetry or reflection symmetry. Why? The reflection will be the half of the other half. Okay. One more example we can do. Here one figure is here. Suppose here we placed a mirror. A half of the figure is here. We place a mirror. Then we can observe other half on the mirror. Then this line will act as a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, and this shape have the same image if we place a mirror along the line of symmetry. Okay. Exercise 1 we can do. Draw lines of symmetry for these shapes. Here a figure of hexagonal shape is given. Hexagon means here if this shape has 6 sides. 6 sides, so it is known as a hexagon. Moreover, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Then we can draw 6 line of symmetry here. 6 line of symmetry. This hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Because all the sides are equal and it is a regular hexagon. That you will study later, regular hexagon. But remember, here all the sides are equal. Then it will have 6 line of symmetry because this shape has 6 equal sides. Okay. So, you can draw 6 line of symmetry. Next one, here this is the figure. You can draw 2 line of symmetry. That is simple. 2 lines of symmetry. This is the concept of symmetry and lines of symmetry. Next topic is turning shapes. If this first figure turned a quarter position, you will get here like this figure. Quarter turn means 1/4 of one complete rotation. So only 1/4, 90 degree is turning here and you will get this figure. Again, if we rotate once more, quarter turn, that means it's half turn, you will get like this figure. Again, one turn you will get like this, and at last full turn you will get the correct first position. Okay, so quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 of turn and full turn you will get the first figure. This is the turning shapes. We can do exercise 2. Question is, give these shapes a quarter turn and draw them in your notebook. First one is a triangle. How we can turn this a quarter? Then you will get like this. This base will become here. Then next one is a square. Square you will get half turn or quarter turn, you will get the same square itself. This figure you will get like this. This figure you will get like this if you are turning a quarter. So you know this concept very well. But remember, we are turning these objects in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means as in the hand of a clock, this figure is rotating. In that direction, we are rotating these figures. Okay. So this is the clockwise direction, and opposite to this rotation is known as anti-clockwise direction. In the clock, hand is rotating in this direction. So like this quarter turn is in the clockwise direction we explained here. Okay. We can discuss patterns. On your dress or your mother's sari, you can see some patterns. How we are getting patterns? By the repeated designs. If a special design is repeating by turning its position or by changing its direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise, we will get some patterns. So patterns can be made by repeating a design. I told by repeated designs we can make a pattern. Here you can see a same design is placed horizontally and then vertically, then horizontally. Then we will get a pattern. In the lower class you have learned like this pattern, and you can complete the next box. One circle, one star, then after one circle next one is one star. We can do the exercise, complete the pattern. So you can see 3 figures there, and 4th one we have to complete. How the figures are changing there? First arrow is turning 1/4. Then you will get second arrow. The next one is again turning 1/4 or a quarter turn. Then in the first box we can draw like this. Again the third arrow is rotating quarter. Then you will get this one, and in the next box you will get the first figure. This is the figures you have to complete in the boxes. Okay. Question B. Here this is one. Here it is on the upper position. Shaded part is on the upper position. Here lower. How it getting there? How it is getting there? It is getting by rotating a half turn. Is it? Not quarter turn. If it is turning a quarter, you will get the shaded portion like this. That means we will get a shaded portion like this, but it is a half turn. Okay. Again a half turn, next figure. Again we have to complete the figure in the box. Then again half turn we will get the shaded portion below. Next one is shaded portion above the line. Okay. So this is the way you have to complete the pattern. Very simple, but identify how much you want to rotate the figure. Here this question is, look for the design that does not fit in and correct it. Here you can see this figure is rotating anti-clockwise a quarter turn. Again this is rotating quarter turn anti-clockwise, you will get this figure. But if it is rotating again, we will have to get here this arrow, this is in the position, but it is not correct. So this figure we want to move from this pattern, and we will have to draw this arrow in the right side. Okay, like a figure we have to draw. Understood? In the question B, here this box shaded. Next figure, again the down. Next figure, next one. The shading is going on a clockwise direction. But here, after this, we have to shade here. But here it is this position. So this figure we want to move. Okay. Then it changed. Quarter turn, again quarter turn, next quarter turn, not this figure, it will have to like this, this is not the correct figure. So you have to identify which figure we have to move from the pattern, and we should have to correct it. In the notebook we have to draw. Okay. Next our topic is number patterns. So we have found the pattern of some figures. But in the case of numbers, how we can form a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You know the pattern of consecutive natural numbers. Then what about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? It is a pattern of odd numbers. It is getting by adding 2. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. also is a pattern of even numbers by adding 2. How you will get this pattern 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, etc. is very clear. Here to the first number we added 1, then we will get 2. Then next number we will get 2, then 2 plus 2, 4. 3 is adding to 4, that means 4 plus 3, 7. Then adding 4, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what will be the number next one in this pattern? 7 plus 4, 11. Next one we have to add 5. 11 plus 5, we will get 16. Next one 16 plus, which one we have to add? 6, 22. Like this pattern will move. Okay. So this 1, 2, 4, 7, etc. is an example for number pattern. In the next class, we will discuss more number patterns. Okay.